Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we have a little treat for you. So Dr. Desai and his family were kind enough to share an ancient family recipe that they have created, and Dr. Desai here went ahead and shared that with myself and Dr. McWilliams, and we've had so many patients talking about it, asking about ingredients, how to make it, so we're just going to go ahead and decide to share that with you today. You guys, we are about to show you how to make a juice that's going to do multiple things. It's going to increase your energy levels, it's going to boost your immune system, and it's going to increase your mental clarity. All great things for the human body. Let's show you how to make that juice right now. Guys, real quick before we get into the whole juicing process here, let's just take a few moments to talk about the juicer itself. So myself, Dr. Desai, and Dr. McWilliams, we've all purchased the Breville. And don't get me wrong, there is a lot of juicers out there that you can buy for $50, $75, $100. But we elected to buy a little bit more of a high-end juicer because of two things. It has more of a high-powered motor and it has sharper blades. So really, you're getting more juice production and you're getting it at a higher level and getting more nutrients within that juice.
Hi, I'm Dr. Desai, and I'm going to talk to you just a little bit about this recipe that's been passed down for generations, and I've been privileged enough to share this with Dr. Jantz and Dr. McWilliams as well. So we start with apples and cucumber, which is great for body weight loss. Then we go in with turmeric, and we go with ginger, which is great for anti-inflammatory properties and gut digestion. So we go in with lemons, which is great for cleansing and also makes the drink taste a little better. We go with carrots, which are great for carotenoids, which help with your eyes. And finally, we use beets, which are great iron producers, which deliver a lot of nitric oxide production, which increase the circulation in your blood, which delivers oxygen to all those cells more readily. So let's get down to business.
Let's start juicing.
All right, so hey, I'm Dr. Sean McWilliams, and I got the opportunity to actually make this juice, so let's make this happen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fire up your juicer. And when you got it plugged in, it's going to get up to speed really quickly. It should sound pretty similar to that. Next thing you want to do, you want to take this guy out. You're going to put your stuff in. Doesn't matter which way you're going to do it. So let's just start with this cucumber, that guy in, and you're going to start seeing that juice coming out here. And watch how easy it is. Bam, just like that. Throw an apple in, throw another one in. Just like that. Throw some carrots in here. So easy it is when you got a great juicer, it's a piece of cake. Throw the rest of these guys in. Just like that. Let's throw all this good stuff in here. This is going to give us some great spice. There you go. You got to love some ginger and turmeric. Let's get all that in there. It's so easy. Lemons. Watch out for them. They'll jump around on you a little bit. And the beet. That's it. That's how easy it is to make this juice. It's so simple. And in a second, we're going to cheers with you. So hang on. So hey, so you got to see how to make this absolutely amazing juice. This is what it looks like. It really doesn't take a lot to actually give you the vitality that we talked about. I want you to know that I hope that this really made a difference in your life. It gives you an opportunity to keep yourself super healthy in your life and your family healthy in life. And because we're a big believer in using nutrition as a medicine for our body to keep us healthy. And from our hearts and our willingness to want to help you become more amazing in your life, feel the best you've ever felt. We hope you really enjoy this juice. And Dr. Alex has a final thing he wants to share with you, and we'll cheers you.
Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that every time that we come up with a video like this to improve your health, you are able to get an alert and view that video as soon as possible, because speaking on behalf of myself and Dr. McWilliams and Dr. Desai, we are truly here, to improve your health and make your life that much better. So cheers to you.
Cheers. Salud.
Cheers.
Chendan.
Oh, delicious.
Every time. So good.
Delicious.
I think you'll feel the same way.
You're gonna love it.